spectacular 3D modern billboards you must see. In the course of your normal journey, how many billboards do you see? And how many of them do you remember? The average attention span of a human being is 8 seconds. And if advertisers don't work their magic in that time, the message is lost. Today's video features some of the most creative, memorable, and spectacular examples of outdoor advertising that capture your eyeballs and deliver their message in the best possible manner. Since we're on the topic of good advertisement, why don't you click on that like button and subscribe to our channel so we can give you more videos like this. Number 1. Milka. A well-known Belgian chocolate brand in 5 different cities of Belgium gives away free samples to its residents. But the catch is, they need to do something. They only need to share the Milka chocolates among everyone via text message standard as the milk chocolate brand by means of following the guidelines and in accordance with what is written on the snack machine or vending machine. Number 2. The enormous advertisement for red gold tomatoes in Minneapolis is difficult to miss. The city is known for its red gold tomatoes. The 2 yellow, red, and gold tomato cans that can make up the majority of billboard are each 16 feet tall and 12 feet wide. If these 2 enormous cans were filled with small chopped tomatoes, there would be enough to prepare a salsa for more than 400,000 people. Number 3. Have you ever witnessed a moving burger that immediately captures your attention? This billboard has the potential to effortlessly entice you to buy their burgers by simply making you crave them. This is because these burger billboards make the burger travel along your instructions as you move towards the advertisement. Number 4. Located in one of the driest places in Peru, this miraculous billboard is capable of capturing the humidity in the air and turning it into drinkable water for residents of Lima. The project is an effort by the engineering department of the university to attract more engineering students to the institution. Number 5. This is the only instance in which you could say that the advertisement literally sucks. The advertisement for male vacuum cleaners was placed underneath a tunnel that was designed to seem like a vacuum hose, giving the impression that vehicles driving through were being drawn into some extent. Number 6. The game promotion made sure that this billboard would definitely make you look, which is really, considering how huge this actually ball is. This enormous replica of a soccer ball is intended to influence you to purchase tickets to the upcoming match. Number 7. To spread promotion about its latest scent Crystal Bloom Snow by Jill Stewart had 2 creative flagship shelters that were placed in a high-traffic area in Hong Kong. These shelters were designed to immerse passerby in the fragrance of Crystal Bloom Snow as well as the exquisite snowy aesthetic impression. Number 8. During the summer of 2013, Adidas introduced the globe to their very first liquid billboard in Dubai. A dare was issued to the women of Dubai, asking them to swim below the water's surface and take a leap of faith. Cameras placed within the billboard were used to film the swimmers, and the footage was displayed on a digital screen located above the Dubai Mall. The new Adidas swimsuit line is promoted in the United Arab Emirates with the intention of boosting women's self-esteem as a means of doing so. People are enticed to purchase Nissan automobiles by the company's advertisements of its newest models. This thunderstruck gives the impression that the car is emerging from the glass block it was built into. Number 9. The implied meaning of this subtle advertisement is that only people who can engage in depth thought are capable of understanding the significant concepts that are discussed in the British newspaper, The Economist. Number 10. Bikers ensure that the advertisements follow you wherever you go by utilizing mobile digital billboards. Number 11. Citroën. A French automobile manufacturer created a one-of-a-kind billboard mosaic by utilizing around 3,000 distinct toy models from throughout its product line. Number 12. Orphea, a brand of insecticide, came up with an unconventional method for an outdoor campaign in Milan. Transparent glue was applied on the ad surface in the shape of a jet spray coming from an insecticide can. As time passed, lice and mosquitoes get trapped in the glue, making the jet spray shape visible. 13. Guinness World Records recognized this billboard shape as the world's first and world's largest 3D billboard. In Times Square, the Coca-Cola sign, which is 6 stories tall, has established a new standard for the innovative application of technology. Number 14. The DHL Express firm informs us. With the help of this enormous and unique 3D billboard that is situated in Amsterdam, that it takes the quickest routes possible to deliver your cargo as quickly as it can. Number 15. It might be too much for some people, but the creative team that came up with this opening mouth commercial deserves at least a little bit of recognition for their work. 16. In the event do you believe that advertisement of skincare items is not possible to be as spectacular as other products, take a peek at this incredible 3-dimensional billboard in the city of Sanya, located in China. Number 17. This advertisement was up on the billboard to show the variety of colors available from Claston hair dye, natural use, and an altered perspective of the landscape. The presence of the water and skyscrapers in the background helps to sell the endeavor exceptionally well. Number 18. In Australia, a humorous outdoor campaign to promote the release of The Wolf of Wall Street is letting money to do the talking. Actually, $100 bills totaling $100,000 are hidden behind the panels of the bus shelters in Australia. During the day, security personnel watch over the shutters and the money is taken at night. 19. In the midst of the pandemic of 2020, Seoul residents might appreciate the breathtaking view of ocean waves that are not breaking desirable COVID-19 lockdown rules. 20. It appears that the contents of this enormous box, located in the shopping center, are moving. Mall-goers are entertained by the illusion provided by this gigantic 3D glass, which also encourages them to shop. 21. This advertisement was displayed at the world's word-warm Dream Cruise greatest one-day automobile event. A smoke mechanism was installed behind the board. Afterwards, every several minutes, the rear wheel would spin spouting smoke for the benefit of ultimate 1-minute burnout. Number 22. This eye-catching 3D Nike billboard will convince you to get a new pair of shoes right now. As the image of the new shoe flashes over the billboard screen, the vibrant colors and textured surface appeared to come to life. Number 23. The dunking billboard Biscuit Kalapa is only one of this company's many successful marketing strategies. Number 24. The most latest and recent market to have the new Jeep product or service, South Korea, is introduced the electric Jeep Wrangler, and in contrast to the majority openers, the luxury car company has something unique in the store for the Korean market. Number 25. The executives in charge of the Dracula television show put up horrifying billboards in London and Birmingham, United Kingdom, that come to life at night. 26. If you ever find yourself in Taiwan, make it a point to stop and take a look good at the enormous 3D animated cartoon billboard that is located at the Skymall. 27. Because there are thousands of sensory nerve fibers in human nostrils, trimming nose hair can be as dangerous as cutting live wires, and you need a precision tool to do the job without getting hurt. Panasonic wants you to know that in order to break from the traditional. 28. A never-ending advertising landscape of Times Square, visitors were transported to a digital hyper-realistic cascading waterfall that was over 336 feet tall across 4 screens last summer. 29. Some people believe that this Boba Fett advertisement is more entertaining than the show itself. If you have any thoughts about the show, let us know in the comment section below. Number 30. Sprite's advertisers have shown that they are capable of thinking outside the bottle with their guerrilla marketing campaign, in which they offer free refreshing drinks and ice-cold showers to the people of Brazil. 31. The 72-foot-tall billboard made of 5,771 shoes has nothing to do with the popular video game Doom. Rather, it is a bug killer brand from South Africa called Doom that is illustrating their product's killing power by comparing it to the most common form, spur of the moment, bug control, which is the shoe. Although businesses all over the world are probably spending a fortune to get you to purchase their product, the aim of the advertisements for some people may simply be to serve as a kind reminder or a nudge in the right direction. But regardless of why they are acting in this manner, one thing can be said with absolute certainty. It is amazing to look at and really impressive. And that's all we have for today. So if you want more, make sure to press the like button and subscribe if you want more. See you in the next one.